Please. Hi everybody. I'm reselling my stove. It's pretty good shape. I just want to show you everything's working. No dents, a stainless steel, General Electric. There we go. Okay. Inside is a little bit dirty, but self-cleaning. And that's the just want to show you again, everything's working. All the lights, preheating, which is right here, is working too. So now wait a couple more seconds for changing the temperature. I'm reselling this one because I'm just trying to get the new one, and they're gonna deliver it today. Now I also have a dishwasher which is already outside. Anyway, everything is working condition. Just wanna show you the dishwasher. There you go. It's already outside. I'm just waiting to put it in the garage. Everything's working condition. It's white inside. It's pretty good shape too. Everything for $300. Thank you. Respond as soon as possible. Bye bye.